Hey, what's going on? JD here, and I have a quick Peloton hack for you. Today, we are going to show you how to connect your Apple Watch and use it as a heart rate monitor with the original Peloton. For those of you who use the Bike Plus, I mean, you know you can already tap this, but some of us, we have Bike Plus Envy, so we always wanted to use our watches as a quick way and convenient way to connect to the bike. We've taken a look at some options before. We've taken a look at Blue Heart, which is an app, much like what we're going to look at today. We've also looked at the Watch Link, which is a key fob which the phone attaches to, so you don't need the phone with you. And today we're going to look at Heartcast. So Heartcast is going to broadcast your heart rate to your Peloton, but you will need to keep your phone close by. So unlike the Watch Link, you will have to have your phone with you at all times, which for most people, generally speaking, probably not a big deal. So you can just go to iOS, get Heartcast. We're going to open that up, and all you have to do is press start on Heartcast on the watch. So you're going to have to install the app on your watch and open that up, and then you can see it's basically got the same connection. So you can see that you've got your heart rate being broadcast from your watch to your phone, which will then, of course, send it to the Peloton. Now, if you take a look at it, if we click start, it will start going. You will see the Bluetooth connection come on. So all you have to do now is go to the settings in your Peloton bike, open that up, search out the device, select it, and it will connect and transmit your heart rate. So kind of the cool thing is you have your five different heart rate zones. You can see they go from green to red. I do have to set mine, so you will have to go into the settings in order to do that. Right now, my max heart rate is not 220. So some trade secrets here. I am 50 years old. Not 50, but 50. I guess it's the same thing. And we will press return. And resting heart rate for me is usually about, I want to say about 59. And we'll go return. Not 590. I would be somewhat dead if my resting heart rate was 590. And it just keeps on adding that extra zero. I'm not sure why. Maybe it's fat fingers, or I just keep on entering the wrong thing. So let's go 59, return. So there we go. No fat fingers. Try to pay attention to what you're doing instead of watching a monitor, seeing what you're recording. So there you go. Heart zone rates on. And you know, the app is free. It says Heartcast Pro, show your support, love. You can join the team, $279. So if you do find the app useful, you can send some money to the creator who has put a great deal of time and investment in this app and making it for free, which is really kind of cool. But, you know, again, a couple bucks next to nothing. So we'll go back and we can see, you know, the zones correspond. You also have the 5 zones which correspond on your Peloton as well. It will simply send it there. As long as that Bluetooth is on, you will be connected. Again, you are just going to have to keep your phone with you while you are riding on the Peloton. But this is an option. You know, from my initial use of it, it works relatively well. And we can see that I've updated the information. It is now 44% of the 170 beats per minute as my max heart rate. So all kind of cool. So that's a quick look at Heartcast. Again, this is one of 3 options currently available. Please like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and hit that bell button to get notifications, because I will be doing some updates and taking a look at these guys and putting them all head to head and letting you know, sort of my thoughts as I dive deeper into the Watch Link, as well as the Heartcast app here, and take another look at Blue Heart. So again, thank you so much for tuning in, and until next time, see ya.